Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Evolutionary trees can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's look at the fish cladogram to find the most likely history of proteins. According to the principle of parsimony, we always look for the simplest explanation with the fewest evolutionary changes. This means we want to minimize the number of times a trait appears. In the cladogram, cods and icefish are located on very different branches. They do not share a recent common ancestor that is unique only to these two specific groups of fish. If the common ancestor had the protein, many other fish would have it. It evolved twice, making option A the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and trust the given data to find the simplest path.